What are we doing this for? We don't usually. This is cult stuff, right?
You forgot a great Canadian band.
Are they Canadian?
Are they Canadian?
Okay. If you're not on the YouTube channel, you need to get on there right now because Derek's doing his Anvil dance. Okay.
Turning my grave.
Okay. Now, what's the next line you like?
Oh, cranking it up. Fulfilling my need.
Derek's headsets fell off his head while he's banging the Anvil.
Work hazard. Got to be careful.
What year is that song? What would you guess, like 84?
No, I think it was like 87. More like they did a Canadian tour.
What is it? How is it you describe them as a band?
Like how hard they rock cannot be put into words. Like they rock so hard that I would be doing a disservice to everyone if I tried to explain how hard that they rock. That's how hard Anvil rocks.
They could not be more lame. Just so you know.
You're lame.
Okay.
If you don't like Anvil, you're lame. I just want to tell you that.
You think we can get the lead singer of Anvil on the show sometime?
Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's get him in studio. They can go on the AT&T Sound Studio stage. Oh, my God. I just had an idea.
What's that?
YouTube, live stream, Anvil.
Oh, somebody's at the door.
Okay, well, I got to mute my phone. YouTube, live stream, Anvil here.
What do you mean?
Like youtube.com/Query our live stream.
Right.
We invite Anvil to come. They play metal on metal or Jackhammer, any of their hits. And we rock out.
Hits. Okay.
You don't like a little Jackhammer?
What's that?
Because that song rocks too.
Which one?
Jackhammer.
You look like... What are you doing? This is the most mortified I've ever been. I don't know what you're doing, but you're just pointing at stuff. And you're just jumping around. You look like a complete idiot. Okay.
It's amazing.
Are they even still around? Are they even still alive?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, they can't go anywhere without being mobs, so they have a very private life. The members of Anvil.
Okay. I wonder where they live.
Canada.